Yes. Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss script. It is another higher level structure representation. In last lecture we are already discussed about the concept of a conceptual dependency. This is the another kind of strong filler structure. So today we are going to discuss script which was developed by Shank and Abelson in 1977. So what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the different information representation technique, that are knowledge representation technique. There are different knowledge representation techniques we are already discussed in last lecture: lower filler structure and strong filler structure. In lower filler structure we discussed the proposition logic and predicate logic, first order logic. In strong filler structure we discussed the semantic networks, frames, that is structure representation, conceptual dependency, and last one is script. So what is script? Script, it is a structure which is used to represent the knowledge. What is that? It is a structure which is used to represent the information. Script, it is a structure that describe a sequence of events in a particular context. Script are frame like structure which is used to represent commonly occurring experiences such as going to movies, shopping in supermarket, eating in restaurant, banking. A script consists of set of slots and information, that is knowledge contained in it. So what we can understand from this para? So what is script? A script, it is a structure sequence of events in a particular context, and what we can say that which is to be useful for commonly occurring experiences, that is going to movie, shopping in supermarket, eating in restaurant, banking. A script consists of different slot and information which is to be available in it. So there are different components which are to be useful for component, that is a title, script name, a track, spatial situation or spatial variation, roles. What are the different role people, human being, which are available in it, peoples involved in the event described in a script, entry condition, required the pre-situation to execute the script, props, non-living object involved in the script, scenes, the actual sequence of event that are occur, result, condition that will be true after execution of a script. Okay, so what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss the script name for shopping, this shopping track, where we are going to do this in a supermarket. Next, roles. What are the different uh, live things, or what we can say that the people which are available in it, that is first one is shopper, daily attendant, checkout clerk or security, sacking clerk, cashier. Entry condition: shopper needs groceries and food market open. Yes, perfect. If you want, if the shopper wanted to buy particular groceries, then food market is to be open there. Now next, props. What are the non-living things are available? First one is shopping cart, display aisles, market items, checkout stand, and money. Scene 1, enter in a market. Shopper P trans shopper into market. So what is P trans over here? In last lecture we are already discussed about the concept of conceptual dependency, and there the primitive action is P trans. What is the meaning of this? Which is to be useful for to transfer of an object from one place to another, that is physically transfer of an object. Shopper P trans shopping cart to the shopper. Scene 2, shop for item. Shopper move shopper through us aisles. Shopper attain eyes to display the items. Shopper P trans item to shopping cart. This is scene 2. Scene 3, check out. Shopper move shopper to check out, stand, shopper attain eyes to charges, shopper A-trans money to cashier, sacker A-trans back to shopper. Scene 4, that is exit. That is exit market, shopper P-trans, shopper exit market. Now result, what will the result? Shopper has less money, shopper has grocery items, market has less grocery items, and market has money, more money. Okay, so this is the script. So what is script? It is a strong filler structure in which there are different scenes are available. Script, different component which is to be useful for to perform the script. Script name, track, roles, entry condition, props, scenes, result. So thus in this way we discuss the concept of a script. Okay, thank you.